off to TJ Maxx to see what they have in. So today is Father's Day, but you can still grab some last minute Father's Day items at TJ Maxx. A lot of them are under $30. Most of them that I saw were kind of good finds too, but they will be some that are over $30, but they have like some good ones. They have like a variety of things in that you can pick, for your dad based on like likes and different things like that, or maybe just somebody that you're grabbing a last minute gift for that you forgot. You can grab those. Some of the things on the table were not Father's Day, like this one right here. A cute game though, if you're doing like a bachelorette party or something like that, you can grab that. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all of those. They always have like good things. The game boards, those are good. My father always used to keep a chess set like on the coffee table in his house. Love that. This I thought was so stinking cute. For a second, I thought it was real like miniature golf. Like the things. The what do you call them? The clubs, golf clubs, but it's just like for grilling. Then they had like some cute purses and stuff that you can grab. These would be good for if you were looking for like maybe a patriotic style look or something like that, and you wanted to grab these, and you can just add that, to your look. They had these two ones, and they did have some other ones that kind of play into the patriotic theme, but these ones were definitely like right on it. So you can just grab those. This one was another one that I think might play into it because of the blue, the white, the stripes. It doesn't have red in it, but if you wanted to incorporate some red into it, you could just add like a cute little bag charm to it too. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all of them, they always are going to have some really cute, juicy couture pieces. So they have a lot of times the sets they usually bring out for like certain holidays and stuff like that. But they did have some sets out that you can grab, different ones, different pieces. They had some really nice Von Dutch pieces in. So they had this purse right here, and then the same shape and style. They had it like in the plaid one that was like kind of giving me like that clueless type look. And both of those are going to be 50. Well, all of those in that shape were about $50 for those. The price ranges on the purses at Marshalls, TJ Maxx, all of those, they usually stay the same. So for whatever style, even if it's like a different brand and stuff like that, they usually are close in price, maybe off like maybe $5 or $10 in the price range. This one right here is a cute print too that you can grab if you were looking. And then they had this pink one right here, which I thought was so stinking cute. I love the front, and then the back was cute too. It had like a little patch on it, which I thought was nice. And then they had this juicy piece right here. So you can see like the shape of this is kind of similar to the shape of the Von Dutch one next to it, but not like the same. If you get what I mean, like the juicy one, it's like bigger. It has like more curvature, different things, but kind of still that same shape, like playing into like the 90s. And then they had like this Ed Hardy one here, which is cute. They always carry a lot of cute Ed Hardy pieces too. So Juicy Ed Hardy. They started carrying a lot more Von Dutch at like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, places like that that you can grab, and you can see the juicy ones are kind of like the same shape as the Von Dutch pieces. But different prints and different branding, of course, on those. And then you can see True Religion. Oh yeah, they have a lot of cute True Religion pieces too, if you can find those. This bag I thought was so cute. My kid is looking for a bag to carry her laptop in for school when she starts school. So we're looking for a bag. I forgot. I think she said she wanted the Ed Hardy one though, but that True Religion one was cute, and she's had a few of those. They had some cute Disney pieces in too. So this backpack right here they had, and these are like big size backpacks too. They're not like full backpacks, but they're bigger than the mini backpack would be. And this one comes in a few different colors. So this one comes in the red, and then it comes in another color. And this one again around $50. So as you can see, like the price range is usually around the same for a lot of their bags. This one, a fun one for summer, Juicy Couture. It has like the strawberries, and it has like the different color ones, and then it has like the coin purse with it. A lot of the items were on sale, so if you're lucky, you can catch something on sale. This one, a cute little mini bag, and you can see inside it has like the Juicy logo on the lining inside of it. Super cute. And I just saw that back there. I missed it earlier. It was a Disney piece back there. But this True Religion bag, this little one here, and then it has like the little details on the bottom that I think are cute. Steve Madden is always gonna have like some cute pieces. You saw they have like the patriotic pieces up front, and then they have these here. So these I think can play all year round, but if you're doing like festival season, the festival season pass, I don't know. But if you're doing like these prints and stuff like that, these bags would go nice with like some looks and stuff like that. But they had this one, they had this one right here is not Steve Madden, but I just like the color and it kind of looks like just like aged, but that's a Betsy Johnson piece like that, and it kind of looks like real leather too, like the way because of the aging like look, it's kind of giving you that almost like real leather look. And then they had this one right here, another one that I thought was a nice print. You know, I like a nice neutral looking piece. This is another Von Dutch one that they had, and you can see it's in the same shape as the other one, just different print, different details. This is the other color in that Disney backpack that I'm not sure if it's a diaper bag or a backpack, but I would use it just as a nice park bag because you can fit a lot in there. And then this Von Dutch one right here with the white piping detail and the gold hardware. I think that one is cute. And then this patent leather style one here they have, and then it has like all the different like and it's called embossing on it. This caught my eye because I like a good tea holder. I love tea. And $20, and it has like that nice wood look. It will play in with a lot of different spaces. These trays I thought was super cute. Even if you wanted to set up like your coffee station or something like that, you can use these trays on your vanity, different places like that. They had 3 different sizes. But if you wanted to bring that tea holder in and then set up like your coffee station or something like that, and then you can stack everything up on the tray and it just makes like a really pretty presentation if you have like the counter space for it though. But they had those 2 different ones, and then this bigger tray here they had I thought was a really nice one, and this one is a really big size too, and it has the cute scallop details on it and kind of like that padding look, which I think is super cute. And this one, $20. I don't think that's a bad price at all, especially for the size you're getting. And when you look at places like, I'm always looking at like Pottery Barn Teen and different places like that, a tray like that, over $100, easily over $100. And then they have like some cute patriotic style pieces. And so a lot of the things that they've had last year, the section wasn't like super big for this, but they did have some cute pieces in, like a lot of little Nicky neck pieces. So you can decorate, put these around. And the price range, like I said, usually stays the same. Mugs, tumblers. They have like the disposable plates if you're doing like outdoor entertaining, indoor entertaining, different things like that. They have like the placemats. They have usually in the throw section they'll have some cute throws. They have some really nice pillows that you can grab, and you can use those like for your sofas, for your chairs. Sometimes they'll have cute outdoor pillows that you can grab. This one right here I thought was a really cute piece. $20 for that one right there. And then the kid section. I'm always looking in. I don't have any little kids, but I'm always looking because they always have some cute pieces, like some cute pieces that you can grab. And when my kids were younger, we used to get a lot of pieces from places like this. Century 20, they used to have Century 21 in my area too. And for boys, they used to have some cute sets. But now you can go like to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, different things like that. But a lot of cute 2-piece sets, and you can mix and match some of these. Some of them are going to be sets you're just going to play, but like say something like this, you can pair those shorts with a solid tee if you wanted, and then you can get kind of like 3 outfits out of it. So you can put it together, or you can put like a solid top, solid bottom with it, and then have it like that. So you can get that like a multiple looks out of it. They have a lot of cute character sets, and these are starting at like $10 for these. The character sets and the brands are going to be more for those, but they have like a variety, and they have two for girls, for boys, for older kids. But these just caught my eye today, and I was like, I haven't looked at the kids section in such a long time, so